Shalom family, Sister Rena from the House of Officer Azranach. The ways that I have been helping my Lord to prepare for the men's conference is by letting him know how proud I am of him, that he is preparing to go to this conference, to be around the men, having that unity, building each other up, applying Zephaniah 2:1. Also making sure that his camp gear is ready, that his pants are ironed, his shoes are shined, that he has toiletries in his bag, that he's registered, that he has his flights, that he has his hotel. Also, when he comes back, I am preparing to surprise my Lord. I've already purchased some items for him, and I have watched Captain Emmanuel's Sisters, Marriage is Your Mission. I will be applying those 3 P's: plates, pleasure, and peace. Lord's will. Shalom, family. Most High in Christ bless.